Well, hi there pluckers, I've Salt Fingers again with you with hopefully an interesting ditty for all you Bryan fans out there. It's the acoustic solo that's in his song Darling, okay, played by one of his band members, okay. So this is it, okay, something like this. And off into the rest of the song, yeah, something like that. So starting off, I'm playing the third fret of the second string with the B string with my first finger, and the fourth fret of the third string with my second finger. And the first part is just strings 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay. Then I'll do is a bar. The first finger makes a bar on the top two strings on the third fret, and you hammer up from 3 to 5 on the second string, and then hit the top E string on the third fret, like just like that. Okay, so you got, yeah. Then you repeat that. So that's the bit you've just done. 3 to 5 on the second top E string, third fret. But this time you come back and play the 5th fret of the second string with your third finger. So far. And you finish it off by adding your pinky to the top E string on the 5th fret. Okay, that one. So now we've got the first phrase, so it's okay. Next phrase is this. That bit's very simple. On that 7th fret top E string, 5th fret top E string, and then the 3rd fret top E string. Now you could use your pinky, because you finish off that bit down here like that, where it goes. You could leave the first finger where it is and use your pinky to play that, if you can stretch that far, 7th fret of the top E string, and then your third finger to play the 5th fret top E string, and then take your third finger off and play the third fret of the top E string with your first finger. So, but you don't have to, you can just sort of use anything you want, okay? But so far then we got that, so it's okay. Now comes a little quick bit. Right, what's that? So again, I'm using my first finger on the 3rd fret top E string, barring the first two strings actually, and this time I'm playing the top E string, 3rd fret, hammering up to the 5th fret on the top E string, and then pulling off back to the 3rd fret on the top E string, like that. So you hammer up and then literally pull that finger off, so it ends up going back to the 3rd fret. Okay, that's what we call pull off. So you do that, then you put your third finger on the 5th fret of the second string, and then go back to the top E string, 3rd fret. So you got, sorry, it's alright, hammer, 5th fret, back again, top E string, 3rd fret, 5th string, sorry, what am I talking about, 5th fret, second string, 5th fret, second string, and then back to the 3rd fret top E string, and then back to the 5th fret on the second string, and finally the 3rd fret on the second string with this bar on the bar there. So alright, got that? So to just repeat that, hammer up from 3 to 5 on the top E string and back again, pull off, 5th fret 2nd string, top E string 3rd fret, then back to the 5th fret on the 2nd string and finish off with the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Then we just play a little G with keeping the bar on that 3rd fret, top 2 strings. Put your 2nd finger back on the 4th fret of the 3rd string and keep your 4th string open. Little strum on the 4 downwards. So far. Okay, then we go up high. That sort of thing. So that's 15th fret top E string, 12th fret top E string, 15th fret 2nd string, 12th fret 2nd string. So okay. Then you finish it off by playing the 14th fret of the 3rd string, and you can give it a sort of a vibrato or a wobble, that sort of thing. That sort of thing. Okay. So far. Okay, as far as we got. Then what we do is we slide from 12 to 14 on the 4th string, the D string, 2 hits on the 12th fret of the 3rd string, and back to the 14th fret of the 4th string. So it's right, slide 12 to 14 on the 4th, 2 hits on the 12th on the 3rd, and back to a single on the 14th fret of the 4th. So and then we've got this final phrase is this. That sort of thing, okay? So I'm doing, now I'm on the 12th fret of the 4th string, going down to the 9th fret of the 4th string, and back to the 12th fret, so 12, 9, 12. Then 9 on the 3rd, and back to the 12th on the 4th. Got that? Let's repeat. 12 on the 4th, 9 on the 4th, 12th on the 4th, 9th on the 3rd, 12th on the 4th. Then we go to the 12th on the 3rd to the 9th on the 3rd, okay, and that's just backwards and forwards. It's 12, 9, 12, 9, 12, and then finally the 9 again, and just slide it off. That sort of thing. Okay, so now we've got from this high bit, and finally he does something like that. Not quite sure about this, but double stop, top 2 strings on the 10th fret, couple of hits, then hammer up with your your 3rd finger from 10 to 12 on the top E string, something like that. Okay, just hammering, do it 2 times and then do it twice more, but hammer into that sort of thing. Okay, so the whole thing. something like that. Okay, boys and girls, hope you enjoyed that, and hopefully that was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.